Good day, everyone. How are you today? So I'm Taya, your host for today's global webinar, Business Opportunity Presentation. So we're so happy to have you here as we explore new opportunities and possibilities together. And to walk us through today's session, we're joined by someone with years of global impact and wisdom, none other than our Global Training Director, Mr. Emmanuel Pupa.
Hello, everyone. Good evening and good afternoon, depending where you're joining us from. We're excited that you took some time to see about our new project, our new revolutionary project that we're launching. And it's, right now, few people know about it, and it's a great opportunity. So thank you for joining. We're really excited to have you on. And as you heard, my name is Emmanuel Popa. I am the Global Training Director, and I'm going to share with you who we are, the project we're building, the ecosystem we're building in this DePIN field. DePIN having a great traction right now in the crypto world, expected to go to hundreds of billions of dollars capitalization. So let me just share the screen with you and dig into what we have for you today. Because it's amazing. I'm sure you will love it. Everybody who comes in our calls loves what they hear, what we do. So hopefully you can see my screen and everything is okay. Because as I said, we are building a DePIN ecosystem in the DePIN space. So the mother company is based in Dubai, Senator Tech International. We are functioning with 3 subsidiaries, and Nodex Labs, Thai Group, and zoreonx are the 3 subsidiaries. And of course, the mother company, as I said, is Dubai. And why is it in Dubai? Because it's good to be in Dubai. Everybody knows if you're in the crypto space, Dubai is a good place to be in. Now, a second. All right. The part of the management, there's different people that we brought on board from different parts of the world. On the left, you have our CEO, Mr. Panos Salas, who is an international public speaker, had traditional businesses in Greece. He has also been a trainer with Robert Kiyosaki in a training on the same stage with him. He is doing a lot behind the scenes to help our community grow, and we're so excited to have him there. Of course, with us. Myself, I'm the global training director, and I have 16 years of experience in network marketing, direct sales, and investments, and 27 years of experience in public speaking. And then we have Alexander Nikula, who's helping us with the technology part. He's the global technology director, helping us with the transition from Web 2 to Web 3. And of course, our gracious host, who is helping us with the Zoom calls, Talia Belmonte, who's helping us with the branding, bringing her experience in the digital marketing field. And of course, that's a very important part of our company. Each of us that you see on the slide has their own part, their own contribution, and their own targeted responsibilities. And of course, behind us, we have a team of over 40 people that do coding in blockchain and programming. Now, if we talk about the Nodex ecosystem, we have a long roadmap, guys, a very long roadmap. We're talking about a roadmap that's um, 7 years down the road planned. And these are just a few of the things we're doing. We are doing a decentralized wallet type XPay, which we launched. I'll come back to that later, like MetaMask and Trust Wallet. Antai will be a 3-in-1 social media secured communication like Signal, or a crypto app that will measure your calories and will reward you with crypto. Fantax will be the sports fantasy gaming app that's coming up this fall with the games and games in blockchain and draws and raffles. The Tybix crypto exchange, which will come later, our own blockchain, our crypto token that we're doing, of course. And talking about the DePIN, oops, too fast here. Talking about the DePIN, this is a print screen from CoinMarketCap, which shows the DePIN projects that exist already. We have a couple of dozen DePIN projects. The DePIN industry, decentralized physical infrastructure network markets, are projected to exceed $500 billion by 2030. That's a pessimistic number. The optimistic is much higher. And here on the left side down, you have three examples from three different projects that have worked and are working today. Tao project, which did a 205x launch at $3.5, went to all-time high of 700. The render project, which listed at 5 cents, went to an all-time high of $13, which is a 240x. The grass project, which listed at 12 cents, went to an all-time high of $3.04, which is a 28x. These are just a few examples of the projects in the deep in space that are working, and there's many, many others, of course. So we're building an ecosystem in the deep in space, but let's see what exactly is deepin and how does deepin work. I am connecting with my cell phone, and I'm connecting to a deepin software which collects the internet the bandwidth. It redirects the bandwidth to a mother company, Nodex Labs, which is tracking the bandwidth and verifying the contributions, and therefore redirects the internet bandwidth to an AI engine which transforms the bandwidth in processing power, calculus power, energy for the tech companies who need it. The processing power and the calculus power is used by tech companies who work in cloud computing, cloud storage, VPN, GPI, AI power, ChatGPT, game creators, 3D graphicians, which then create that technology. They sell that technology to whoever buys it. And because the people buy the technology, in the end of it all, the end user is rewarded. The person who contributes to the ecosystem with his cell phone, tablet, or laptop is rewarded. That's how the deepin works. What we are doing, very, very, very soon, we are launching this app. You can click, you can scan the QR code, you can see the app. You cannot download it yet, but you can see it. We did this QR code so you can see how it's going to look like. This is going to be the app that's going to draw hundreds of thousands and millions of people in the future. It's going to be a free app. You're going to be rewarded for doing tasks, much more. You're going to be rewarded for referring people. You're going to be able to convert your points in tokens and participate in the airdrops in the deepin industry. Okay, you can check it out if you want to. In the next phase of our project, starting with next year, we're going to launch deepin customized and personalized devices like cell phones, laptops, routers, watches, and a dash cam for your car, which you can get tokens for sending data and info from the traffic. We just launched this app, TypeXPay Decentralized Wallet, our own version of MetaMask and Trust Wallet. You can download it already on the Android, very soon coming on iOS. Here's the QR code for that. I have it on my cell phone. So far on it, we have BNB, Ethereum, USDC, USDT, Tron, OKB, Arbitrum, OPN. Look, it's there. It's a multi-chain support, and you can only download if you want to. It's really really cool, and we're bringing something to this wallet. I'm going to tell you this at the end, which is going to be amazing, and people will really want it. Part of our tokenomics, we have 900 million tokens, TCN tokens. The deflationary method, of course, we're going to burn some tokens so we have less. And a part of these tokens will be given to those who become founding members. This is the roadmap for the token distribution. And now we are in June 2025. Whoever becomes a founding member will get tokens for $1.20. Okay? And the sooner you join, the more tokens you get. The later you join, the less tokens you get. Obviously, you see the plan there. So how do you become a founding member? Here's how. This is an example with $100. You can purchase a node of $100. The current price of the token is 120. You get 83 tokens, which are going to be in a vesting period until 2027. What do you get for this node? If you purchase a node of $100, you get staking rewards up to 2x. When you purchase the node, the company automatically puts this node into staking. It starts producing 7.8% per month, 0.30 per day, and you get staking rewards until you double your money. 2x. The staking rewards are given in stablecoin, USDT, USDC. Of course, there's other nodes that you can get. We have the VAP nodes, which are the 10K node and the 14K node. We have the 7K, 3K, 1,200K node. You have the $600, the $300, and the $100 node. Each of them yield 7.8% per month, except the VAP nodes, which yield right now and give you 13% They're limited edition. We have only 14 left or less. Okay. Whichever node you get a daily reward and a monthly reward. Okay. If 7.8% is too low for you, there's an easy way for you to reach 11.7% if you refer 3 people to our company in 27 days after you join. For those who are a little bit more skeptical or want more security, whatever the case may be, the company came up with a very good plan. And in 1 year from now, if you do not have your 1x, your money recovered, we give you the option of claiming a device. Each node you purchase will be backed up by a device. And if in 1 year you don't have the 1x recovered, your investment recovered, you can claim your device if you choose to do so. Here's an example. If you buy a node of $3,500, the potential earning in like 3 years is $18,000 on this 3.5K node. Now, because we are a company that like to look in the market to see what other big companies are doing, we see that Binance and Revolut and other big companies are using the referral marketing systems. That's therefore we're using the same thing, referral marketing system, and we're doing the same. So the legal disclaimer, guys, this is not a quick rich get scheme. You should understand that investing and purchasing crypto or crypto assets, it involves risk, it involves volatility. You need to know the regulatory issues. So do your diligence, be responsible when you purchase a node, and understand what you're doing. So moving on to the referral rewards that we give, we have different rewards that we give out for the people who refer our system. If you are a member, if you are a node owner and you refer someone, you get a 5% commission. The higher the commission goes, the higher the rank. The higher the rank you achieve, the higher the commission. You can go up to 16% direct commission. Pioneer is very easy to do. A lot of people do it in the first day. Builder is, you get 9% for Builder, 11% for Krypton. So let's say you're a Krypton. You make a sale, you get 11%. But your friend John, your friend Rakesh he's a Zorion. He gets 5%. So if you're a Krypton, he gets 5%, you get 6% because it's 11 minus 5. It's based on the hierarchy difference. You can make a lot of money by helping your team make sales. The next bonus is the leadership reward. It is a very interesting bonus reward. You are paid on 15 levels, 33%, and you get paid on 15 levels. On level 1 and level 2, you get 15% and 6%. Meaning what? Every time your person that you referred gets the daily reward, you get a percentage from the daily reward. Every time your people on 15 levels get daily rewards, you get rewarded based on their rewards. Okay. This is very juicy, guys. We have people who started in February and are already making $110, $120 per day from this reward only in just 4 months. Okay. This is only from this reward. Now, of course, there's other rewards. The next reward is the leadership, the team triumph reward. This is a matrix which is filled first come, first serve on 8 levels. And you can make money here without referring people. You heard me right. I'm going to say that again. You can make money here without referring people. So it doesn't matter if you refer people or not. If people come into your matrix, you get paid. The only thing you need to know is every node guarantees a validity in the matrix. $600, 12 months, $1,200, 24 months. The one over 2K, 36 months validity in the Triumph. I'll come back to this in the end. The next bonus is the leadership royalty. This is not for everyone. This is for leaders who make a total sale of $71,000 with their team. Once you hit the rank of Graviton in the hierarchy, you start unlocking this reward and you get an extra 10% on the total rewards that your team gets, the daily rewards, the DePIN rewards. Okay. This is very juicy. It's very, very nice. I mean, we are a new company, a startup, and already with 4 or 5 months of work, there's people who make between 1,500 to $3,000 per month just from this bonus. Okay. I know people who make 2,800, 2,900. I know people who did it in like 3 months. They got up to over 2,500 just from this bonus. And we're new. We're just at the beginning. The hierarchy reward is basically every time you hit a rank, you get rewarded. You hit the pioneer rank, you get $45. DU means dollars. Builder, $150. Krypton, $450. Graviton, $1,500. Every time you hit a rank, you get a reward. Now, the volume is cumulated. The volume does not flush out. You can do the rank in a week, in a day, in 6 weeks, in 12 weeks, in 6 months. Whenever you do it, the bonus is yours. The only condition, you need to get the volume to hit the rank from two minimum teams, two minimum legs, two minimum lines, however you want to call it. You can have as many legs, as many lines, as many teams as you want. It's a unit level. Now, regarding the sustainability, first is the DePIN 2x, meaning if you own a node, you get the rewards, the staking rewards until you hit 2x. Now, if you want to build a network, if you want to build teams, if you want to build communities, if you want to make passive income, then you have a 4x. What does it mean? You purchase a node of 7K, you can make 28K. You put in 1200, you can make 4800. You put in 10K, you can make 40K. You put in 300, you can make 1200. Whatever you purchase, you can make 4x in commissions. After that, you need to repurchase a node. Payments are done in USDT and USDC on the BEP20 network. Whenever you have $20, you can make a withdrawal. There's a 5% platform fee, meaning everything you make, 5% stays with the platform. And there's a withdrawal fee of $0.1, 0.1% from the amount that you will withdraw. Okay. So payment is in USDT and USDC, and withdrawals are in USDT or USDC. This is part of our roadmap. We have a long roadmap until 2032. You see, every year we are going to deliver 4 technologies, 4 apps, 4 different devices or whatever to the community. Browsers, tokens, gaming apps, vaults, bandwidth apps, exchanges, devices, everything that somebody needs in the crypto space, everything and much more. Okay. Now, we told you earlier that we launched this app, the TyBixPay wallet. What I didn't tell you is we have signed a contract with a bank from Dubai who's going to implement a Visa card in this wallet. This year, we will have a Visa card that you can order and you will be able to use to put your crypto on this wallet and spend it with the Visa card. Our vision is to have over 1 million physical connected nodes globally. And we want to give the opportunity to some of the members in our community to become node validators in the same way like Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Solana validators. The Solana validators generate $3,000 to $5,000 annually from one node. Some of them have 10, 12, 15, 30. Here you can become a node validator and you can make money from the transaction of our blockchain when it's ready. Our next event is Cairo in the fall, September, October. People can qualify for this event. We already have about close to 50 people qualified for the Cairo event from all over the world, and the qualification period for the Cairo event ends June 30th. Now, what node shall you get? Which node is good for you? Well, that's based on what you can afford and based on what you see value in. The 100 node brings you a daily income, a monthly income, and some tokens. If you go up to the 600, things get more juicier. You unlock the leadership residual income. You get app airdrop users. Hundreds and thousands of people will download our app. In the future, hundreds of thousands. In the future, million in the long future. Those people who download the app, they will be taken and they will be distributed to the people who have a 600 DU node or higher. They will be connected to you. Those who will be converted into founding members or clients, you will get commissions. How about the 1200 node? It's even getting prettier now because with the 1200 node, let's say people buy the cards, the Visa cards from our wallet, and you make money when people buy the cards. But what if you could make money when people withdraw money on the card? Just picture that. If you go all the way up to the $7,000 node, you become a VIP validator in a special pool for VIP validators, and you can share in the transactions of the blockchain. Of course, the VIP nodes 10K, 14K are also there if you choose to do that, but those are a limited edition. They'll be gone. They'll be gone soon. Okay, so choose whichever node is appropriate for you. Also, keep in mind that whatever you start with, you can upgrade, you can buy a bigger node later. Guys, talking about tokens, Bitcoin launched at 4 cents. It reached an all-time high of over 108,000, 110,000. We all know that. Render is a DePIN token. going very well. It launched at 5 cents. It reached an all-time high of $13, 240x. So where will the TCN token go, our DePIN token, in our ecosystem? I don't know. I know it can go big, and I expect it to go big. So don't forget, you can also make money with the TCN token if you're patient from 2027. Now, I was telling you about the Triumph. Our Triumph is a matrix that's on 8 levels. First level, 3 people, in multiples of 3. Second level is 9. Third level, 27. Fourth level, 81. Fifth level, 243. Sixth level, 729. And it goes up to the 8th level where there's over 6,000 people, a total of close to 10,000 people in a matrix. First come, first serve, guys. First come, first serve. Left to right. I don't choose where I place the people. This is where you get spillover. People come in and join, spill over as you sign up. If you don't refer people, you can get spillover. If you refer people, obviously the matrix will go even faster. However, you can make money from people who will join your matrix and you don't even know who they are. First come, first serve. This is the deal. Don't forget this. This is very, very important about this bonus. So, we are a startup. We are a baby in this industry. But check this out. We are technically in paper a startup because the team that's working behind and that's doing technology, that's building technology in the crypto space, in the blockchain space, in the DePIN space, in the direct sales space, in the network marketing space, they've been together for more than 8 years. We have a team of over 40 people working remote from different parts, Germany, Singapore, India, Dubai, that are working and they're selling technology for a long time. This is something revolutionary that we're building together. On paper, yes, we're a startup on paper, but in experience, we are not. We brought quality people, experienced people in the corporate. We know what we're doing. You are invited to have a seat at the table. Ground zero, moment zero. You are invited to have a seat at the table. You can either join us and celebrate with us, or you can watch us and watch us make history. Because we're going to go big. I'm in business, guys. I'm in business. I mean, in the next 2 years, I expect this company to create 20 millionaires. I expect this company to create 200 to 300 people who have an income with 6 figures. I expect thousands of people to make a living from this company. And we will do this with or without you. Certainty, this will go big. Variable, with you or without you. The ball is in your court. You decide if you want to join or not. But stay close, watch us, pay attention, because we're taking this to the sky. Thanks for joining, and it's your decision what you will do. But keep in mind, you're invited to have a seat at the table in ground zero when nobody's heard about it. Thanks for joining. Have a great week, a great evening, and all the best. Take care. Bye bye.